What's guys, and today I'm doing a video that I don't really normally do. I normally do gaming, as you know. I don't really show my face too much. I don't do vlog type of things. But I just want to show you this bad boy. Now, if you don't know what this is a Victorinox Swiss Army knife, alright? So if you don't know, this is the Hiker, by the way. So if you want to know, this is the Hiker Swiss Army knife. Do sort of a review video because I wanted to do a review video on like a knife for quite a long time now. So I guess we'll start out with the one that you've already seen, the classic knife. Yep, so that's the knife. Pretty standard. It's about maybe a 3-inch blade. I think about a 3-inch blade. So quite good. So you can do some whittling with it. Then we'll do the other one. This is the mini blade. The mini blade is really sharp, so this is to like do like smaller stuff, do more detail in like a carving or something. Guess we'll go on to another pretty standard one that you probably have. Bottle opener, flathead screwdriver. We'll go this one. Tin opener, pretty standard one, and there's a little bit of a smaller flathead. I think that's, oh no, that isn't it. God, this is a little bit harder to get out. This one. There we are. That's the saw. Pretty standard saw. I don't really use the saw. I don't really need any need for it. If you want a saw, get an actual saw. And we'll get on to these last few tools. The screwdriver. This is a crosshead. I like doing it like this, but you can just, do it like that. Very weird place to hold the screwdriver. I would have liked it if it would be like shooting out like that, so I can actually use it as a screwdriver. But this is fine, perfectly usable. Now, the one that I can't seem to get out, that one, I don't think I can. Alright. I forgot what this one was called, but it basically like pokes holes in leather and stuff. So if you're like doing sewing with leather, this is pretty good to use. Oh gosh, this keychain always gets stuck on it. I don't get why they put the keychain on it. Like, it's not even reusable. The next one's our last two tools. So, toothpick. That just slots in. I don't know if you can actually see that compartment, but there's like a little compartment right there. The toothpick slides into. Then we got the tweezers, which are extremely pathetic for tweezers. Pretty standard. little tweezers. These are have the same compartment as the toothpick. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the little thing. I've just got one last trick to show you. It's called the Spy. Now, if you don't know, I'm a massive fan of TF2, and my main is the Spy, okay? So, here's the knife, right? And he flicks it upside down to like backstab someone like that. Here's the move. Pretty simple. You can just sort of do this over and over again. So basically, you hold it like that. It's pretty easy. Flick it like that. So you flick it, hold that up, move your finger, hold it like that. So you should get something sort of like that. Dropped it. Now, if you don't know, he uses that move with a weapon called the Internal Reward. He just does it like that, because of course he normally has a butterfly knife. And he like flicks it and stuff to make it there. So yeah, that's my Victorinox Hiker review. Classic red. You can't really see it well on camera. I've not really got any good lighting to show it, but it is red. There you are. That's quite good. I can see it quite well. So yeah, it's crimson colour. I get if you're like a little bit concerned of a 11-year-old having a knife, but I'm like, it's fine. I don't find any problem with it. I don't kill anyone with it. I normally use it for whittling and stuff. So yeah, hopefully you guys have had a wonderful day, and I will see you later.